million baby on our show today, and we are of course talking about Flipkart, India's largest e-tailer, and their bet on smartphones, because remember, this is their largest selling category. What are they really going to do to take this beyond metros to smaller cities? Rahul Dama caught up with Flipkart's head for electronics and auto, Adarsh Menon, to find out. Let's listen in.
As you know, India is now the second largest smartphone market in the world, right? And with the growth that we are seeing, we believe this category is very, very important for us, not just now, but going forward as well. And we want to make sure that through this category, we add serious value to all the brands that retail on our platform and to our consumers as well. And that's the outlook for us for this category.
All right. Also, the segment as such is driven by the discounting model, but with now focus being on unit economics and cash burn really coming into question, going forward, would there be a clampdown on discounts as far as mobile phones are concerned, because it's a huge chunk of the market there?
Yeah. So the focus actually is not on discounting, but to give genuine value to our consumers and to give genuine value to our brands. And as long as we stay core with that philosophy, we believe that we'll be in a very good place to win in this particular market.
All right. Also, the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, an exciting opportunity at
Yes.
that. Take us through some sort of a trend there wherein, are you seeing a large number of people from these tier 2 and tier 3 cities actually coming out? Because, we as in India, we are a smartphone generation, people directly actually hopping into and buying a smartphone there.
Yes, absolutely. So one very clear and distinct trend that we are seeing is that the percentage business that's coming from tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 markets for us has been on the rise. I think the event that we did last year, the Big Billion Day event that we did last year in October, that's what really spurred a lot of demand coming in from tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 markets. So if you talk about percentage contribution of business, about more than half of our business used to come from just the top metro cities before September, October last year. And post-October, we saw a lot of consumers in tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 markets shop on Flipkart and become...
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.